see if you are faster than the calculator. What is 120 divided by 35? Now, let's build an app that checks your answer. In this video, we'll be building a simple calculator that can add, subtract, multiplies, and divide. As you can see, this is what our app interface looks like. We have our add button, subtract button, multiply button, and divide button. And mind you, we also have some trick up our sleeves with this calculator. This is not a boring calculator. We're not trying to create a boring calculator here. It's a fun calculator. So make sure you stick to the end to see what we have in store. Start building. Like always, we start with our project, start a new project, then we name it. For me, I'll name mine my fun calculator. You can decide to name your own whatever you want to. So for this project, we'll be needing 4 buttons. Let's start with 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we'll be needing 2 labels. 1, 2. And we will be needing 2 text boxes. 1 and 2. And also 1 vertical arrangement. That's all we need for our interface.